What's going back, guys? Welcome to another current situation fishing video. Today we're going to be doing some good old bass fishing on this wonderful pond right here in my neighborhood. It's huge. Let's see if we can catch some tanks. Let's do it. And we are now here at the spot. Today I'm going to be rocking the Ugly Stick GX2 with the Abu Garcia. I think it's called the Black Max. Very beautiful rod and reel combo. Today we're just rocking a wacky rigged watermelon seed Senko. I can tell you right now we're gonna catch them. Let's get to it. Let's throw it right in there. That should be better. Patience is going to be key today. Alright, let's go ahead and move from here. We're gonna throw on this shoreline right here. Come on. So how I'm working this Senko's out, I'm just popping it every once in a while and letting it drop. And usually that's when the fish will eat it, is on the drop. There we go, baby, fish on. There we go, not a bad one to start the morning. Woo. What you doing? What you doing, Buster? What you doing, Buster? Yep, there we go. Woo. Oh, Jesus. What's he doing? Look at that hook set. First, let me grab him. Look at that, guys. Beautiful fish. Let me give you some info on the largemouth bass. Largemouth bass, hence their name, have a very large mouth. Dark green colors, depending on their environment. Very beautiful fish. Sharp fins too. Very fast. Can grow up to almost 10 pounds plus. That's what we're looking for today, guys. Fish kiss. Let's get a good old release. There he goes. On the wacky rig. I knew it would work. Beautiful, guys. I'll wash off my hands a little bit. Oh, look at that. There's a bluegill right there. I did not see him. All right, let's cast. You have to be careful not to backlash these bait casters did. Yeah, we're just chilling on this this bank. Going along it. This is very shallow water. I mean, it's probably about like 6 feet. So that's pretty shallow for this lake. I mean, I know there's fish around. Let's see if we can hop on them. Cash is back here now. Whoa! Oh, Jesus Christ! Sorry, guys. That was chaotic. Whoa! Oh. Oh. I knew what happened, guys. One of our biggest problems, spiders. Spiders all over the boat. Just trying to make sure that one's dead. What? One heck of a spider. There's a big spider in the boat. What?
Why do you think I tried to get it quickly?
I did. All right, I'm moving. That's my friend Matthew over there. And over to my right is Cole. You probably remember him from the last video. All right, I'm just gonna drift this way. Oh, I got weeds. Dang, dude, these things. There we go. It's hard doing this with a camera. Did you get any bites in that shady area? Yeah, just a wacky rig. I've only caught one so far. Yeah, they're not too active. I got another one. Oh yeah. Whoa. He's not bad. He's probably a solid pound. Oh yeah. Good fish. Woo. Slippery, slippery, slew. Got him right in the bottom lip. Yeah, they're crushing the... Jesus, stop flapping. God, gosh dang. Bro, if you don't chill out, bro, you're never going to get this hook out of you and you're going to die. Oh man, he took my Senko. Have to get another one. Check that baby out, guys. He might be a solid pound.
Give me a watermelon one.
Good fish. On the watermelon. Watermelon seed Senko. She prumpy. Let's get a good release on her. There she goes. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna re-rig, and I'll see y'all there. Hey guys, so unfortunately we're gonna have to end the video sooner again because, well, my camera. We got 2 fish today. That isn't bad. We'll do better next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see y'all later. Tight lines.